The heart is a muscular organ which contracts to pump blood throughout the circulatory system. The septum separates the heart into 4 chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. The atria receive blood and pump it to the ventricles. The ventricles pump blood into 2 circuits: the pulmonary circuit and the systemic circuit. The right side of the heart receives blood from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava and pumps blood into the pulmonary circuit via the pulmonary arteries. The left side of the heart receives blood from the pulmonary circuit via the pulmonary veins and pumps blood through the aorta and arteries to the systemic system. The walls of the ventricles are much thicker than the atria. This is because the ventricles have to pump the blood over much larger distances. The heart has 4 valves. The function of these valves is to ensure that blood flows through the heart in only one direction. There are 2 semilunar valves, named for their half-moon shape, which prevent blood from flowing back into the ventricles when they are relaxed. One semilunar valve is located where the right ventricle meets the pulmonary artery, and the other is located where the left ventricle meets the aorta. The other 2 valves, called the atrioventricular valves, are located between the atria and the ventricles and prevent blood from flowing back into the atria when the ventricles contract. The atrioventricular valves are supported by chordae tendineae, which prevent the valves from opening into the atria under the high pressure that is created when the ventricles contract.